How to turn off typing sound on iPhone. So what you're going to want to do to get rid of the sound making a noise when you're typing something on your keyboard with your iOS device, whether that's an iPhone or iPad as well, what you're going to want to do first of all is be on the home page right here. Then you're going to want to click on the settings menu, so that grey settings icon, go ahead and click on that there. Then once you are in the settings menu, you're going to want to scroll down a bit until you get to sounds and haptics. Click on that sounds and haptics section there. There you'll want to scroll down to the bottom where you can see there in system sounds, it says keyboard feedback. Go into that section there. Then at the top you'll see sound. Go ahead and click on that so it's black. In that system sounds and haptics section, make sure that's turned off. You can also turn off haptic as well if you want to, but on the keyboard feedback, once you turn off, you won't hear that anymore. Leave a like on the video for help and subscribe for more helpful videos.